Welcome back everybody to Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our good friend Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. Our first contestant to come running in and do battle with Haulover is going to show you what it's like when you're running wild in Haulover. It is not a very big day down here today. We have a little bit of a tight chop, but Haulover's likely going to be in a little bit of trouble if this is all she's got to throw at our captains today. But here you're going to see this renegade come rolling through. Crew looks like they're having a good time. It's a nice calm day, and they're going to make easy work of Haulover and take a win in the first round for the boats. Our second round, well, let's go ahead and play one of my favorite games, Can She Hang On? But we got to give Haulover some kind of advantage. Forget if she can hang on. Let's see if Grandma can just hang on to her drink. Here you can see her in the very bow of the boat, straight chilling, enjoying a beverage, and that beverage is gone already. But I gotta imagine this crew, once again, it's a calm day in Haulover. They've stuffed everybody in the bow in hopes of getting everybody soaked. I mean, Grandma's up there getting wet, but she still looks like she's having a good time. But the reality is she did not hang on to her drink, and she's gonna get soaked right there. And we're gonna go ahead and give this round to Haulover since she was not able to successfully hold on to that beverage. Our next contestant is gonna show you what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover without a chance, but not the way you think. Haulover doesn't have a prayer today. When I see a sea ray like this with girls in the bow come rolling through Haulover like this, it's gonna be a bad day for the inlet, and this round easily is gonna go to the boats. Haulover needs all the help she can get today, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a ringer in there. Yes, I know, this is taking it to the extreme, but Haulover's going to need a prayer, and in order to do that, I'm going to have to throw in a ringer on this one. Here we can see this couple's decided they're going to go ahead and take a nice romantic kayak ride out of Haulover Inlet. And to be honest, the way the current runs through Haulover, this is really never a good idea, especially with the amount of boat traffic that's running through here. This is the last place I'd want to be, and of course, as you would expect, this crew at some point does get knocked over, and now is stranded rolling out of Haulover on this kayak, having to deal with the boat traffic around them as well. This really is not the place you want to be in distress. With the amount of boat traffic and things going on in Haulover, this is a dangerous situation for this crew, more so than they even think it is, and kind of like his girlfriend alluded to in the beginning, she didn't like this. Well, there really is not a whole lot for them to like about in this situation. They do struggle getting back onto the kayak. I mean, they're out in the ocean, there's a strong current pulling, and they've got boat traffic going by. Nobody really stops to help this crew, but they do eventually get themselves back onto the kayak and get themselves back over to the beach safely. Still, they took a swim, and with the amount of trouble they have getting back on the kayak, I really have no choice but to go ahead and award this round to Haulover. I know this is a little bit of a unique situation to be on Boats vs. Haulover, but you know what? Haulover needs all the help she can get today, and I'm willing to offer it to her. But still, we roll into our fifth round, tied it to a piece. Who'll take the win this week? Will it be the Boats or Haulover Inlet? And of course the boats come out strong with the finish, with a Viking yacht rolling through Haulover, just absolutely annihilating the inlet and making their way in and taking a win for the boats in this round, which will give the win to the boats in this episode, which probably is kind of expected on a calm day like today at Haulover. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.